Morning. No, it's unheard of. I'm actually doing a stream in the morning, and I'll tell you why. It's because most days I have to work in the mornings. Um, and today is a statutory holiday, so happy Canada Day, everyone. Yeah. Oh, I actually need to change this. Because today we're gonna be folding some laundry. And also working on the puzzle, so okay. Oh, my light started sliding down. Scared me for a second. Okay. And then we'll just make sure that we have the correct things enabled. What do I do with my water? I had water somewhere here, and it's gone. That's okay. You know what? We'll do without it. Heck yeah. Alrighty. Should have made sure I was ready with that before. Where did my water go? Well, you know, it's not... There is one more thing I forgot. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Got the water. And I've got the other thing. Stephen Beisty's incredible cross sections. And I probably can't show any of this to you while on stream. I can't actually show you the book itself. But basically, there's a he has a page about a Spanish galleon, and there's no way I can rotate that to. It's in there. It's in there. Yeah, I have no way to. Oh, I suppose I can show you. Nope. Could have sworn it was somewhere on the back. Front panels here? I guess not. Okay, so anyhow, there's a Spanish galleon in here. And I'm going to be using this galleon as a sort of inspiration for how we're going to build this boat. Because in many ways, it is pretty similar. It's not 100%, it's not exactly one-to-one, but it is pretty similar in a lot of ways. And the first thing I'm noticing that we could do to improve this ship would be if we can increase the length of this spar, which I'm not sure that we can. Yeah. I figured that would be the case. Be nice if we could do it, but yeah. That's just not gonna happen. So they got so many sails. They actually have a really forward sail, like here. And that's like as main as this mainsail here almost. And then they have one further back around probably here. And then they have even just one more. There's a lot of masts on this ship. Missing. And I do like the idea of turning this into a two-mast ship. So I think what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna ah just get those out of the way. Cool. Cool. So I don't think we need to do a full two-mast there, but I do like the idea of 1, 3, 5, 6. Yeah, I do like the idea of having a secondary mast here. This is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Like it. I like it. And we will keep this whole mast just a lot shorter in general, I think. Very good, very good. Of course, we need all of these. Lovely, lovely stuff. And of course, we need the backside. Wish there was a way to select multiple these things. No? That'd be nice. Hold on. Hold the phone. There. Down goes there. Yada yada, yada yada yada. So on and so forth. Very good, very good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Oh, that doesn't quite fit. Is that? Hmm. Uh, Great. Yeah. I like that. I like that. And then one more. One more. Once again, we'll keep this one pretty short, I think. So let's do 1, 2, and yep, that's 1, 2, 3. So yeah, right about there. Excellent, excellent. This one, another short one. The whole design of these sails is really quite clever. Although this does annoy me. It's so close to being perfect, and so not quite. Oop. One. Hello. Welcome to a lovely little Canada Day stream. Wow, I slurred my words like I was incredibly drunk or something. Happy Canada Day. That's what I was. Oh no, there we go. That's what I was trying to say. If you have any questions, just let me know. We will get on to some actual programming at some point here. I know that me clicking a bunch of things is not exactly exciting content. So, okay. Almost done, almost done. There we go, there we go. Beautiful. That looks like a proper ship. That looks like a proper ship, my dude. Excellent, 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 excellent. I suppose at some point we should probably add a dock or something. And this should still all run fine, hypothetically. Hypothetically. So let's just make sure that it does. Because if it doesn't, that would be irritating. And then maybe we can get to a little work on the interior. Okay. So yeah, that looks good. That looks good. No, I'm not sure how I feel about that. I feel like maybe we should prevent that. It just looks kind of strange because it looks like you pass through the post. I'm not a huge fan of that. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, and there is... Good. Do you ever have it when you really want to sneeze but you just can't? I really hate that. Heavy in the stern. Perfect. That's exactly what we should be at. Oh, is there no way for me to reach that last button? Oh, I'm an idiot. Nice. Okay, very cool. Suppose it doesn't really matter. Stick that one there. Oh, wait. Ooh. There we go. Fun, fun, fun. There we go. And that should be gist of it. Although I think you're right. I think we do want to, very briefly. And we'll just go here, here. Oh, no, that's not what I want. There we go. 4-directional passage. Vent that. Think that'll be more realistic. Yeah, no, that looks more correct, I think. Ideally, it would be like half a tile less. Go. Now we should be in balance on starboard. Balance along the keel. Might heavy on the starboard. Perfect. That's what we want. That's what we want. Okay. Now we go back to the cross-section book. Back to our galleon page. Okay, here we are. So. Oh, they have the... They basically have this just throughout that, like, basically the whole... That whole main deck is just these slats, right? Which kind of makes sense because, I mean, how else are you going to get light down there? You don't want to have a lot of fire on ships. And, you know, back in the day, that was your two options, sunlight and fire. So, yeah, I guess that makes a lot of sense. So let's just, oh, you can drag them. Interesting, interesting. Things I did not know. Not sure if it's supposed to be like that. Let's this, and we'll just maybe like that. Why does it... Really don't understand why it does it like this, where it doesn't do the border. I kind of want the border. Let's see if there's a way to fix that. Because that would be ideal. We could make it have the border. Because it shows it with the border there. And I feel like it's so close to... It's so close to being right. There's just something about it that isn't quite right, and I don't understand what. Okay, here we go. MV. Ship LOSAT. Grab that, we'll make it an auto tile. And what happens when we compare to... Yeah, so no, that's the correct formatting. I'm not sure what the difference here is. There's some sneaky way that we could do this. Because no, that's exactly the correct formatting. Yes. Ooh, maybe we just do something like that. Where we just add the border on top, basically. That could work. That could work. Shouldn't really need... We shouldn't really need the swamp here. For this one. We can just replace that. I don't know why it always wants to start off there. That's okay. Okay, and then take this, it's an auto tile, and we're gonna want to edit, so sticker that, and then I zoom in. Oh, there's not a, nope. Is there a color picker? Oh, there is. We just, a little bit of that. A little bit of this. Bit of this. A little bit of this. There we go. Yes, very good, very good. Excellent. And then we should just be able to take all of this. Just trim around the edge to make sure we don't mess up. Good, good. Oh wait, I wanted to use the eraser on this anyhow. Very good, very good. And then we can increase this side to, yeah. Oh, shoot. Went a little too far. Erase and erase. Yes, excellent. Just go over here. Do pretty much the same thing. Oop. Remember, I always love questions, so at any point you have any questions about anything, please do go right on ahead and ask me. Nothing I love more than answering questions, because it gives me something to talk about without just going off about nothing. No? Oop. So close. Nope. Very good. Very nice. That's what I like to see. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Actually, that doesn't look right. Oh, that's why. Let's drop this down to 1 for now. Yeah. Okay. Yup. It's good. It's good. I think we need to change this color though. If we do this, no. Hoping maybe I could get kind of an average of those two. Is there something? Ooh, this might work. Oh, eraser. Yes. Very good, very good. This is what I like to see. I think. Yeah, here we go. That's the stuff. Stuff right there. That's looking good. And good indeed. I think we should make this a little bit light. Actually, send that down to there. And this over to there. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. I like it. What I like to see. What I like to see indeed. Okay. Doodaloo, doodaloo. Okay, we're very nearly there. Then we will be able to use this to great effect. Okay, I guess it didn't exactly mean to click there, but it'll do. Actually, wait, no. I think this is going to be more representative. Yes. This is one of the things with pixel art. Sometimes it gets a little messy, you know, and that's okay. And the thing with this is that it doesn't have to be perfect the whole time, because you know wood isn't perfect the whole time. Ooh. Wood's kind of messy a lot of the time. So having a little bit more mess actually is somewhat of an advantage to us. So, how's your Canada Day going? You enjoying some time off on a rainy day like today? I suppose it's not rainy everywhere. It's rainy here in Edmonton area, which is unusual for Edmonton area. Um, we can do 3. Have confidence. Just overflowing with confidence here. Oop. There we go. There we go. seems to be more difficult to do the horizontals than the verticals. Those with the verticals, you can just use the scroll wheel. Okay, and we'll go to times 8. And you know what? Let's use the big boys. Excellent, excellent. And there's just one more thing we need, which is a little bit of shadow. And is there an opacity? Opacity? Actually, let's go with that. And can we... Yeah, 1 pixel, 1 pixel. Where's the tools? Eraser stamp options? Hmm? Hmm? Is there really not opacity picker? That's the strain. Wait, did it? Are you serious? Are you kidding me? Oh my word. Okay, tell you what. Close that. We're going to paint.net. We have opacity options. We have rectangle select. Things are less dumb. Honestly, I don't understand why more people don't use paint.net as some kind of basis for things. Like it's just so good. It just works, you know? Images, tile sets. There's the ship one. Ship. Here we go. Oh, maybe that's why. I forgot that it takes to deal with these tiles a little differently. Okay, let's try just doing it here. Try just replacing the swamp. And hopefully it just works, although I have a feeling it might not. Which would be immensely irritating. First of all, we can just goodbye. Then we can and gone. And there we go. And goodbye. Okay. And that should be us most of the way through, actually. I It looks like that's actually the same color the whole way through. Except you're only supposed to be, yep. There we go, and it looks like we can pretty much do the same here. Not seeing a whole lot of color variation. There we go. Okay, that was strange. Best part of Paint.net is that it's completely free as well. It's just an excellent piece of software. You don't pay anything for it, and nobody appreciates it. How did I miss this one? Very nice. So that's that one cleared up. Look at how fast that was as well. We want to get rid of this row. Also, this row. We definitely want this to be a little lighter. Very good. Grab a little of this. Oh, wait, but this is supposed to be, you're right, corners. This doesn't look right. That's not how that's supposed to line up. It's supposed to use a combination of these two. Just dot around. Looks good. Yes, very good, very good. Once again, we'll just grab this color, go over here. Oop, no, wrong level. And we'll grab the secondary color there. Good. Grab this one here. And here we go. There we go. Beauty, 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 beauty. Excellent. Bam, bam, bam. Heck yeah. Slide that across there and there. Oh, we got a slightly different color here. Very good. Excellent. Okay. And we're nearly done properly this time. Excellent. And hopefully that works. So we'll just save that. Yes. I'm not entirely sure it will because I have had problems with that sort of thing in the past. And we'll just go back there. Okay. Okay, let's see. You're supposed to be on top. Okay, so that's good to know that that's not going to work. Oh, we need to put this on a different level entirely, don't we? That's okay. So then what we want to do is we want to open up. So it's going to be outside A2 probably. Yes, outside A2. Open that bad boy up. Okay. And what are we not going to need for sure? I don't think we need the fences. Oh, we won't need the purple goop. So we'll just cut that out. Paste into purple goop. Yup, that's the one. Save this as outside. Oh wait, this is the wrong thing. Don't save. Open. We want outside to A2. Good, that's properly lined up. Save as outside to A2 underscore ship. Good. And then we want to pop open outside to A1. We want to grab whatever was up here. Bam, bam, bam. We want to grab this. The waterfall, it looks like. You know, I think I understand why it doesn't work, because it's reading this as 3 different animations now. That makes sense. That's something I didn't understand before, and I hadn't thought about before, which is why you need to use one of these ones. Okay, there we go. And we'll just add that one to the tile set. It should be basically exactly the same. A2 ship, with the possible exception of this one. And yeah, we want to be able to walk over top of it. Perfect. Ship internals. Maybe we use this. Okay, no, it doesn't like the way that one works. We'll just switch to none. Okay, very good. And now we should be able to do this. Yes! That's what I wanted to see. Oh yes, that works. Except we forgot to add the shadowing. Very good, very good. Okay, recent A2 ship. A2 ship. Okay, cool, excellent. And we just want to take this, drop the opacity to about half, I think. I guess that's a little more than half. We'll drop it to 100. Pencil please. Okay, no. No, that's good, that's good. Change it, and change that. Perfect. And then we'll do the same on this side. Just adding that little bit of shadow sometimes makes just so much of a difference. At least it can. Like it's just something so subtle. Like, you'd hardly know it, but it's those little details, you know, that make all the difference in the world. Okay, that's excellent. Save that, and tile set should still work. Everything should still be fine in that regard. But let's just check to make sure. Oh, it's taking it as a damage tile. That's not the way it's supposed to be. Let's fix that. Because, yeah, you wouldn't want to take damage just by walking over something like that. So that's under A, yes, damage floor. No. Okay, yes. There we go, that's more like it. Now everything should be good. Just check my messages here. Yes, thank you, CJ. Happy Canada Day to you as well. Okay, cool. Excellent. What else was I trying to do? Right, now we have to do the internals. Joy. And this is going to be a lot more of a struggle, I think. What do we got? So they've actually managed to fit 3 decks onto a galleon, like underneath the main deck. At least 3. Some places have even more. Which is pretty impressive. Not gonna lie. I mean, they don't look comfortable, that's for sure, but they're there. Yeah, we got the cargo hold way underneath. Oh, do we have anchors? That's something I never considered. That'd be a cool little, cool feature, you know. Does not look like there's an anchor. That's too bad. I'd like to add an anchor, if possible. So, got the gratings here and here, which is pretty much gonna line up like here and here. Maybe we should actually narrow those gratings just like 1 block more, I think. Yeah. Actually, I think that's good. I do think that is good decision. Okay. Yeah, because then that lines up with... I suppose we could have kept it as 4, but it looks better as 2. I'm not gonna lie, that looks a lot better. Ideally, I think I'd have it 2.5, but that's too much work. What else do we have? What else do we have? Got the gratings. How is this these lower levels structured? It kind of looks like they mostly aren't. Kind of the gist I'm getting. Huh. Hmm. Steel was the backbone of a ship, yada yada yada. Oh, interesting. Ballast. Right. Ballast is a thing that exists. Oh, and there some is. Ah, interesting. Can't show it to you because that might be copyright infringement. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm getting, that there really isn't a lot of structure to this. Maybe we should actually go with the Titanic for a better idea of how to structure cabins. And yeah, I'm still so yeah, there's definitely cabins in one. It's still kind of a mess to figure out how it works. Uh, you know what? I think the best thing is just to go for it. Where do we have this? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, so that's 9, 18, 28. We got 28. We want to have 8 cabins. 8 cabins total. What do we want? How do we want to do this? So 28. 28 wide divided by 4 is 7. So each cabin should have 7 blocks width. Is that what I'm getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5. Almost. Almost, almost, almost. 2, 4, 6. Yeah. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. I think maybe we just cheat a little. Width 29. These. And then we'll it. Which one is it? Is it this one? No. Oh, here we are. Here we are. There. 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 Okay. Yes. Grab that one. That one. And that one. Drop it. Ooh. Drop it down in the same place here. Excellent. Perfect. That's what I like to see. I suppose we should decorate each one a little bit. You know? Drop a bench or something in there. Definitely want to put a bed. I think this is probably going to be the correct type of bed for what we want. Oh, actually, I want to move this to the other side. Yeah, yeah. Does this look... You're right, that does look better. I say you're right even though you haven't said a thing all day. Yeah, we can do it that way. Just a nice, simple little cabin, eh? Okay, and then what else are you gonna want in your room? Gonna maybe want... Probably gonna want a chair of some kind, table, a bench. These are 6, so if we have the doors all there... Yeah, 1, 2 from the wall. Then we kind of almost want something different up at the door space. Like a, no? Maybe we put something up there. What do we have to put up there? Or like a shelf? There are shelves. That could work. Maybe? Oh, wait. No, that's not quite work. Yeah, we almost want a completely different tile up there. Maybe nope, that's the wrong place. Nope. Something that stands up a little more, I think. Not quite. That kind of works. Maybe? Ah. Nope. Do we have anything else that would make sense up there? Both inside and out. Not in particular, really. Fortunately. Maybe these ones? No, they go below. Shoot. Okay, there's gotta be something. Gotta be something. Grading? No. Pretty sure that's a no-go. Pretty very sure that's a no. What if we do... No, 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 no. When we should also be using same style. Okay, I guess we are using the same style of board. If we do this, no, just extends the floor. We do this, no. Ooh, maybe this? Nope. Need something that's a little woody, but not that woody looking, I guess. Um, ends up under. Oh, I suppose we could take off the shadow. Still looks kind of strange. Maybe we'll just leave it like that. Yeah, I think that might be best. And then let's do up these things a little bit nicer. So we're gonna want some kind of shelf. Everyone needs a shelf of some kind. Oh, it'd be interesting because these cabins are going to store different characters, and it's going to be based on their character attribute. So it would be really interesting to see if we could. We probably could make the whatever, like at least some of the contents, we could make them depend on the character's class of the shelf, that is. And that would be really interesting. Yeah. Yeah. Probably be very complicated as well. Let's start by just keeping things simple. We'll just add a little cupboard. Maybe not there, maybe not there. I don't like it there either. How about right over here? Yes. Okay, and then we'll add that a little. Ooh, that table is too short. Let's try this table. Okay, maybe not. Add a little shelf up here. Do we have other chairs as well? Might have to use a different C here. Some of this stuff is good, but most of this is not helpful, you know? You basically just want to make this look like it could be lived in. Like it's not going to be comfortable, but it's not supposed to be, right? Because you're on a ship. There's only so much you can expect, right? Hmm? I wish I had a that went a little bit up into here. I think I do have, maybe there's one that I can use. Well, actually, I'm not sure there is, but what we could do is we could make one. We have that power. Is there anything that would be, no matter which cabin you lived in, you would have with this? No, 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 that doesn't line up. Like, no matter who you are, you're gonna have there are some things that everybody has to have. I suppose we can make that work. Kind of like that. I wish it went a little higher up though. I wish this didn't go quite as far up. So many things that I wish. Let's actually do a reset here. Maybe we'll just do it this way. Cuz like this looks like it should just be pushed like just a little bit higher up. Same with this. It's almost exactly what I want. And it's just not quite exactly what I want, you know? Yeah, I think we have to make our own. Well, make our own more like. Well. Oh, right. There's no redo button. Forget about this. We basically have to just, well, not exactly make our own, but just fix it as we want it. There we go, there we go, there we go. Good, 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 good. Okay. And then, of course, we gotta make one. Make the new tile set. Okay, so this time we want to open ship internals. I'm sorry that this has been so much of the aspect, like just the aesthetics, basically. If you really want, we can get to the math. Oh, was I using the wrong inside? I think I am as well. Yeah, we are. We totally are. Oh wait, no, maybe we're not. Outside 2, outside 2. Oh wait, we're on the inside. Inside A2. Inside 2A2. That's what we want. Inside 2A4. Inside 2A5. Inside 2B. Inside 2C. And these are basically just lower saturation versions of the other textures, so it's not a big difference. It basically just looks a little different. I kind of like it this way. Anyhow. And then we basically just want to shift all of these up a half block. Problem is, where are we going to shift everything else, you know? Let's actually start by saving this as a different file. Inside 2B ship. Yup. And we can... I don't think we need all these windows and such. Yeah. We can probably just... Let's actually just delete this first set of windows pretty much. think that's for the best. And what we'll do is we'll just take all of this. Scooch that in. Make sure we grab the whole thing. And we got 48 blocks, or 48 pixels, divided by 2 is going to be 24. And we just want to move this whole thing up by 24 pixels. It's basically what we want to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yeah. I don't think so, but I might. Okay, I got it. That should be the whole thing done, pretty much. Anything else we want to do? We probably want to take these chairs, move them up half a block if we can. Yeah, at least those two. There's space for them elsewhere. If I just do this. And I copy and I paste. Paste them right here. Are they going to be interfering? Looks like they might be. That is somewhat irksome. Oh, and I definitely want to move these up as well. Take that and move it up so that we're in line with tables. Just like that, yeah. Excellent. Okay, so now those are properly moved up. Yeah, I think we can just do that. Yep. It definitely takes up more space, but I think in the end it looks a little better. Oh, I suppose we could have just cut that and paste them over here. Oh, wait, I don't know how tall they were. Oh wait, they should be, because that should be the end of that block, basically. And we'll just move them along. Oh wait, we'll grab the whole thing, and we'll just move them right down here. Line the old stuff. There we go. Of course, just chop out the bits here. And delete. And presto. That looks good. It's very good indeed. Okay. Save that bad boy. Open it up in the tile set. Inside to be ship. Yup. And we'll just check to make sure that it all makes sense. Oh. Actually, we have a problem here. Because now they all share... Ah. Yes. Hmm. So, like, these, no problem, right? Problem is these ones. Because these ones are representing two different things. Pretty much. That's that. And then we also have to separate these and these. These can probably stay as they are. These cannot, though. Means basically we're going to need to free up a lot more space. Which kind of sucks. Oh, and these are also spread over 3. Well. Yes. Yeah. Shoot. Shoot. And unfortunately, I do have to end it there, it looks like, so... Ah, man. That's kind of irritating. We will get back to that at a later date. Thank you for sticking around for as long as you have, however long that happened to be. Have a lovely Canada Day. I will see you next time.